Generation of output reports. After you have finished reviewing your analysis results, you will want to export them out of the software platform. Begin by clicking the Report tab at the top of the screen. There are two types of output reports that the LEGENDplex data analysis software can generate. These are called the Detail Report and the Summary Report. These two formats present the data analysis slightly differently, so you will likely want to save a copy of both. The process for saving either report type is the same. Select one or the other from the Report tab. This will open up a new pop-up window. When this window opens, you will also notice that the software generates a series of data files with the extension .vg. These new files can be used in place of the FCS files they were created from to avoid using data points from your dongle should you wish to reanalyze the data. Select the Export icon at the top of the new window, and then select the file format that you wish to save your data report as. We have found that Excel is often most compatible with further downstream analysis. Enter a file name and then click Save. You may now close the pop-up window. Finally, click the File tab and select Save As and then Status Files. Status files have the extension .blpx and can be opened by the software in the future to return to the Report tabs without having to complete an entirely new analysis. This completes our data analysis software tutorial. If you can follow the steps discussed in this video, you will be well on your way to generating output reports from the FCS files generated in your LEGENDplex assays. Don't hesitate to contact us at tech@biolegend.com. If you have any questions, we're here to help.